In previous video we discussed ophthalmology long cases, that is cataract. In cataract we discussed senile mature cortical cataract, senile immature cortical cataract, senile nuclear cataract. And in this video we will be discussing about short case of ophthalmology. First of all, we will discuss about calazoyon. Ocular examination, what you will see, you will write here. Okay, what you will see is single, hard, painless swelling. It will be present mostly away from lid margin, and there will be no signs of inflammation. And also, if you avert the lid, you will observe that conjunctiva over this calazoyon is reddened. So the diagnosis is single calazoyon. If you see it on upper lid, you will write on upper lid. If you see it on right eye, you will write as of right eye. Single calazoyon on upper lid of right eye. This is the diagnosis of calazoyon. Now pterygium. What you will write for examination? What you will see is, if this is eye, you will see a triangular patch like this encroaching onto the cornea. So this is pterygium on nasal side. So this is nasal side. Encroaching onto the cornea, there will be a triangular fold of conjunctival mass. Triangular fold of conjunctival mass encroaching over the cornea. If you see it on nasal side, you will write as on nasal side. If it is right eye, you will write of right eye. Okay, then it will be thick, vascular and condensed. Thick, vascular and condensed with the development of dense fibrous tissue. So you will write these 2 points. And then third point is, you may observe Stocker's line. Stocker's line is numerous small opicities due to the deposition of iron. So if you see this Stocker's line, you will write as Stocker's line in front of a blunt apex of pterygium is seen. Then you will write your diagnosis as pterygium of progressive or regressive stage may also be seen. If it is present on right eye, you will say it as right eye. What is progressive pterygium, I will tell you in another video when I discuss viva questions related to this cases. So we completed pterygium. In pterygium, single triangular fold of conjunctival mass encroaching onto the cornea on nasal side of right eye, and thick vascular condensed due to the fibrous tissue development, and Stocker's line, numerous small opacities due to the deposition of iron is present in front of the pterygium. Diagnosis is pterygium of progressive stage of right eye. We completed pterygium. And now moving on to pinguecula. Pinguecula is, it is a triangular patch. It is seen on nasal side and it is yellow in color. So it appears as a fat, and its apex is directed away from the limbus. Okay, these points you will write, and it is bilateral. What is the diagnosis? Of course, pinguecula. And coming to aphakia. Aphakia means no lens. Literally it means no lens. A no phakia lens, no lens. And you will see here scar of healed incision near the limbus. And anterior chamber is deep and iris is tremulous and iridodonosis is seen. And also pupil is jet black. Due to the absence of this lens, it appears jet black in color. And Purkinje images 3rd and 4th are absent. I will talk about these Purkinje images in my next video. So diagnosis is aphakia of right eye. And coming to pseudophakia. So what is pseudophakia? Pseudo means false. Phakia means lens. Natural lens is removed and false or artificial lens is replaced. And in this, as usual, scar is seen, anterior chamber is deep and iris is tremulous and iridodonosis is seen. And here pupil is not jet black because pseudophakia, that means another lens is present, and due to the presence of another lens it appears shining and the shimmering reflex is seen. Shimmering reflex is seen. And if it is anterior chamber IOL, IOL is placed in front of pupil, or mostly it is placed in the capsular bag, that is behind the pupil it is placed in capsular bag. And last and final one, corneal opacities. In this you will write type. First of all you write type of corneal opacity and site and size of this corneal opacity, shape of the corneal opacity. And apart from this you will write if there is corneal vascularization or not, and if there is iris attachment to the cornea is present or not, and if there is any pigmentation of that corneal opacity. And finally sensations, if sensations are normal or if they are reduced, you will write like this. And diagnosis, you will write the type of corneal opacity. You see, if it is a nebula type you write nebula of, if it is on right eye you write right eye. This completes short case. Short cases examination is over. Simple, isn't it? I will meet you in my next video with Viva questions and their explanation, detailed explanation of Viva questions of long case, short case. Okay, bye.